Hello there, welcome to the Allotment Family Diary. My name's Tom.
And I'm Tilly, Tom's mum.
Tom's mum, Tilly. So this week we have something under here, something very special. And in actual fact, you've wanted one of these for years now, haven't you?
I have. I've had my plots about 12 years now, and from the minute I started watching YouTube about allotments and things, I thought, wow, I'd love one of those.
Yeah, and as luck would have it, a company has contacted us asking if we'd like to test one out at the allotment. We don't just accept products from any company, it's always allotment related. So like, we wouldn't review a jacuzzi or something,
No.
would we?
No.
It's something that is going to be useful for us and probably you as well.
Yes.
At your allotment
Oh,
plot.
definitely.
But anyway, here we go. It's this.
Wow, it's amazing, isn't it?
I've got the accessories here of it as well. So it's the AFERY portable power station. It's an 1800 watt electric generator, basically. This is going to be extremely useful, and I'm going to show you some uses that we're going to use it for up here.
Oh, definitely.
basically.
Yeah, it's going to get used a lot.
Yeah, it will on all of our plots. Yeah. So obviously it comes with an instruction booklet, which is extremely useful. Not that you really need to read much of it, because I've been testing it for a while now.
Yes.
And it's so easy to use, to be honest.
Yeah.
Really easy. It comes with extended 5-year warranty, if you want to set that up as well. And it also comes with, this is the charging cable, so you need to take this home, plug it into your power outlet at home, and it charges in about 1.2 hours.
That's pretty good, actually, isn't it?
It's a real fast charge,
Yeah.
which is useful, because if you drain this thing in an afternoon or a morning, you could take it home, recharge it, bring it back up again.
Yeah, definitely.
But the other thing it's got these. So this is for a solar panel. We weren't sent the solar panel, but that would have been really useful, especially up here. But you can plug in a solar panel and you can just charge it up here as well.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Actually, that was something I always wanted when I had my horse, a solar panel on the roof. So
On your stable?
Yeah, on the stable, so that we could have light up there in the dark. And because it's so portable, you can take it to those situations, actually.
Well,
can't
this is the thing, and this is why it's so good, because you can just carry it around with you and put it wherever you want on the allotment. So you can plug in power tools, you can plug in lights, all sorts of stuff.
Yeah, that's going to be
anywhere
great.
you want. Yeah. So let's have a closer look at the unit itself. Car cigarette charger port, basically. You can plug into there. You've got two 12-volt inputs there. You've got your USB-A, 2 of those, and 2 USB-C as well. This turns on the USB, and guest appearance from Chase. Hi,
Hello,
Chase.
Chase.
You also have a light on here as well, which is quite useful, because if you're up here in the dark and you want to be able to see to plug things into these ports, you can turn the lights on. It also has an emergency function where it flashes. Let's just fire it up. So you just hold down the button, it turns on. You can see on the display there. So we're at 100% charge, and we've got 99 hours worth of power if we just left it in idle mode like this. So the light here, press once to turn the light on, press again for SOS mode. So if you're in trouble at night at your allotment,
What does that mean then?
well, you could turn it on and people will see a tiny flashing light.
Oh, really?
And say, what's all that about? Yeah. So you've got that there. We'll turn that one off. Hold it down. There we go. And then we'll have a look at the back. So this is where you'll plug in to your main socket at home. So you just take your 3-pin cable, plug it in, put it into your main socket at home. Again, 1.2 hours charge, and it does actually charge that fast. It's not just something that they're trying to sell the product with. It's really good. You've got 2 3-pin ports here, so this is where you can plug in like your power tools or whatever up at the allotment. Your overload protection button. You've got your AC input regulator as well, so if you're not sure about the power usage of certain things, I'm going to keep it on 500 watt for now, just to be safe. And then over here, this is the switch that actually turns these plugs on. So what can you use it for? Shall we have a little look and see?
Well, I'm dying for a cup of tea.
Are you?
Yes.
Well, I've got that covered. A new addition to our Allotment family arsenal is a travel kettle, an electric one. So I'm just going to plug this one into the back here, and next we come around the front, just hold down the power button, power is on, and then round to the back of the unit again, we'll just hit that one to turn the 3-pin socket on. The kettle is on. Now, one thing I really like about the AFERY is on the display it gives you a countdown of how much power you've got left on the unit. So we could run this kettle for 56 minutes, and that's how long it would take to drain the power. It's waiting for the kettle to boil. It's a travel one, so it takes a little bit longer, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So another great use, whilst we're boiling the kettle, you need to charge your phone, don't you?
I do actually,
because you're so popular on social media. So all you do, I'll just show Mum how to do this, plug it into that one there,
that's it.
and then turn on the USB. And there you go, charging your phone at the same time.
Wow, that's really good.
So now we've got 54 minutes left on
I know
the power.
someone who will like that.
Who's going to like that?
Florence.
Yeah, Flo will love that. Yeah, she'll have like laptops plugged into
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
her tablet, her phone. The kettle is boiled, so I'm just going to take the plug out the back. And are you making tea?
I'm going to make tea. Yeah, I'm dying for a cup. It's a bit chilly.
Mother's making tea. Tea time at the Lottie. So one other thing about this unit, as you can see on the side, it has got it's got 4 fan outlets. So the fans will kick in from time to time just to cool the thing down, especially if you're drawing lots of power for making lovely cups of tea. But it's really quiet. Cheers.
Cheers. Nice cup of tea. Yeah, it's nice and hot.
So this is the good thing as well about this, is we usually use gas, and it can cost what, about £12 or something for a few canisters, and we get through loads of them, don't we?
We do, because they're not always reliable, especially when it's really, really cold.
With this, in the long run, I know, it's a bit of a cost up front buying one, but in the long run, we don't need to use gas anymore, do we?
No, we don't. No, not at all.
So we're fully electric, and then if we get the solar panel as well, then it's like green energy.
It is. And you know what I'm really excited about as well is being able to actually strim my whole plot in one go.
That's the thing, you could plug in the lawnmower, couldn't you?
You
and
could
bring
actually.
it up here.
Yeah, all the strimmer. Unfortunately, I broke the last strimmer, so
we need to get a new one.
I know, we're going to get a new one hopefully this week. So
but talking about power tools, so we've got the mini chainsaw here, and if you're anything like me, I always forget to charge the battery. So like, I brought it up here before, gone to use it, oh no, the battery's dead. So the good thing about this unit is like, we can now charge power tools up here. So just plug in my battery in the back, turn it on, so now we can charge tools up here.
That's really amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that is going to get so used, because I'm having a new potting shed and a shed for my tools, which someone here has kindly said that they would make or put up depending on what we do. We haven't quite decided. So that is going to be great, isn't it?
And a lot of people, or a few of you, have said in the comments like, oh, I can't wait to see Tom get a circular saw up here.
Oh god.
Well, now I can. I haven't got a circular saw, but I've got a sander, which is again something else that I do use up here. Again, plug it in. It works.
Brilliant.
Sand that then.
Really good. Oh, I shall be getting a very smart shed.
The possibilities are endless, aren't they?
They are really. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing.
But there's one really important thing. So if you're anything like us, while you're at your allotment and you like to live the lifestyle of a hobbit, what about some cooking?
Oh yes, definitely.
Bit of cooking?
Definitely, yeah.
Do you want some eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Definitely.
Okay, do you want
fresh eggs?
If you get the eggs,
okay,
I'll set this up.
Okay.
Let's have a cookout.
Right, I'm on my way.
Go on then.
Nice.
Yeah, our own fresh hen's eggs. I mean, you can't get fresher than literally just
no, definitely
taking
not.
them out the run now, can you?
I know, definitely.
So yeah, that thing has got so many uses.
It certainly has. Yeah, it's amazing, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like we say, we don't just review anything to get free stuff on this channel. It's always going to be stuff that we will find useful, and in turn you guys might find useful as well.
Yes.
There is another function, so you can link the unit to your phone via Bluetooth, and you can monitor the power levels. Also, if you want to get one yourself, have a look in the video description, because there is a unique Allotment Family Diary product code, so you can get money off your own AFERY portable power station too. I think the long-term investment outweighs the initial cost, really. Have you guys got one of these? Do you use anything similar at your allotment? Let us know in the comments. What do you think about this unit? What else could we use it for up here? Let us know.
Yes.
Yeah. But I have got one more use for this thing.
And what's that?
Wow.